Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I'll show you how to replace a BMW Z4 turbocharger actuator. This is a car for BMW Z4. So last week we did the diagnosis and we found the actuator internal fault. So today I'll show you how to replace a BMW wastegate actuator. This is new one actuator with the general parts for BMW. Part is located in this area. We have to remove out. Let's do it. Remove first connector with the help of special tool. Just take care while removing because sometimes the spin will come out. Remove the two screw, hold it with the turbocharger housing. Take it out. This is two bolt which fix that actuator. This new one we fix it. Plug in connector. That's good. Take the scanner and clear the fault. And do the actuator learning process. See how it's operating. This is the learning process. It's going on. That's done. Now start the car.